Price is going to reject 99.60, then there will be truncation of wave, which is where the scenario is practically slim. So, and like I said, after our wave 4, then we are going for wave 5, and this is it. Wave 1, minute wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3, which we just completed last week. Wave 3, then we are going for wave 4 now. And like I said, according to wave rules, wave 4 must not enter the zone of wave 1. And the zone, what is the zone of wave 1? Which serves as a support for wave 1? It is 103.66, which serves as our invalidation level. It serves as our invalidation level. So I don't expect price to go there. So if you get the point where the wave 4 will reject, then we expect wave 3. According to the rule, wave 4 reject at 38.2 or 50. 38.2 or 50 according to the wave 4 rules, but mostly 38.2. So I expect price to reject between these two zones and go for wave 5, which is impulse wave 5 to the downside. And like I said, if price is going to reject at 99.60, that will be truncation of which the scenario is practically slim, but it can happen. This is market, anything can happen, but the scenario is practically slim. So I expect price to hit this level next week and go down for our wave 5, according to the analysis. Okay, this is it. For our wave 5, according to the analysis. And you know the rules. Wave 5 will always be wave 1, 100% of wave 1, or 161.8 of wave 1. Okay, 100% of wave 1. Sorry, 100% of wave 1. On 161.618. So this is 161.8 of wave 1. So from here to here, can you see? It's very correct. So at worst, we are looking at this. Price should come down to this level. Price should come down to this level. And if it's at this level, the price will reject at 98. And if it's 38.2, then price will reject at still 98, but 98.17. So let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD. We have the same structure here. Can you see the same structure with DSY? We have the same structure whereby we have wave 1, wave 2, which is zigzag. Wave 2, which is zigzag. Then we have wave 3. And in that wave 3, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So right now, I don't expect price to come to this zone of wave 1, which is 1.0948. I do expect price to trade down into this level. No, and we are looking at Let me put it there, invalidation level. Because wave 4 must not enter to the territory of wave 1. No. And looking at, so, sorry. Yeah, okay. So looking at wave 3, let's just use our let's use our Fibo. Can you see? It's already at 0.3. It's already at 0.3 0.382, and I'm expecting price to go down to 0.50. So I'm expecting price to go down to 0.50, or price should reject. Price should reject at 0.382 or 0.50. So after there, which is according to the rules of wave 4, I'm expecting price to trade to the upside again. I'm expecting price to go up, and I don't expect price to come to this territory of wave 1. Wave 4 complete, which I expect that at worst, price should not go below 0.5. At worst, price should not go below 0.5. So next week, what I'm expecting is just a little retracement, down, then up. This is what I'm expecting next week. A little retracement as ABC, a little retracement, then ABC correction, this, and we go for our wave 5, which I expect is going to enter 1.130 level. 1.130 level. So this is what I'm expecting next week. So let's move to pounds and dollar. Let's move to pounds and dollar. So you can see pounds and dollar, if you followed us last week, I gave an analysis on Wednesday, last week Wednesday, whereby there is wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. We are in the wave 3 sequence, and I expect extension 1.618 extension of wave 3. So, and what we have here now, we have internal wave count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm expecting I'm expecting micro with 5 of minute with 3. That is what I'm expecting next week. Micro with 5 of minute with 3. That is what I'm expecting next week. And you can see, as you can see, we are done with wave 1. We are done with wave 2. If you use our Fibonacci extension, then this is what we have. Can you see extension? Okay, sorry. This is what we have. We have our extension here. Can you see? We have our extension at this level. And me looking at it, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And if you check, I gave the sell last week and the sell is still running. Let's check from wave 3 to wave 4. This is wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3, wave 2 to wave 3. Can you see 0.382? That is the level set for, that is the level set. Then I expect another level is 0.50. So I expect this wave 4 to reject, price to reject and go impulsively to this extension, to complete wave 3, minute wave 3, to complete minute wave 3. And we are going for wave 5. So to complete minute wave 3 before we go for another correction for wave 4, then finally wave 5, minute wave 5 of minor wave 5, minute wave 5 of minor wave 5. So this is what I expect next week. Buy setup, just only buy setup. Then next on my list is gold. Gold is the next pair on my list. So next week, what am I expecting on gold? On gold, let's go to 2 hours time frame. I have a very perfect setup on 2 hours time frame. Okay, this is what I have on 2 hours time frame. Hours time frame, this is what we have. So I was expecting price to go up again, at least to this level. That was what I was expecting last week, but which served as a diagonal. You can see it's a diagonal, but unfortunately, price broke up the diagonal last week. Yeah, price broke up the diagonal last week. And when looking at it, we have series of highs here, which I'm still convinced that price is not still going down totally because of this equal. We have all these equal. So I'm expecting price to go up one more time. I'm expecting price to go up one more time, again, at least to this level, before a proper move to the downside. Before a proper move to the downside. This is what I'm expecting next week. This is what I'm expecting next week. A proper break of this liquidity, which is the equal to the upside, then another move to the downside. Then if you check our H1, there is a nice setup on that H1. If you check the H1, this is what we have. If you look at the equals, you see the equal. So I expect price to break this equal, and this is what we have on H1. Can you see? Oh, sorry. I don't need to pick another. So this is what we have on H1. So from here, I expect buy setup from here. Buy setup. And if you look at this, we have another equal here.
Hey, Pops.
We have another equal. At this level, we have another equal. So I'm expecting price to come down to clear this equal lows. This is equal low. To price to come down to clear this equal, and we have Quasimodo. We have Quasimodo here. We have Quasimodo here. So I'm expecting price to come down next week to clear this equal, then go to the upside, then we have another down move. So price will come down, clear the equal, hit the Quasimodo level, then up again. So next on the list is NASDAQ. NASDAQ I gave this analysis last week. For those who are on my channel, I gave this free analysis last week. I've been following the price. I've been following. So, like I said, we have ABC correction to the downside. We have ABC correction to the downside. Then, after the ABC correction, another impulse move to the upside is expected, whereby we have wave one, we have wave
Can you
two.
hear me, my brother?
Yeah, I can hear you. We have wave one.
Hey, love your chart work, man. Love your chart work. Back on that goal. Can you go back one step to the goal,
Okay, back to the good.
please? Awesome. Zoom in to the current price and go to the 1 hour. So on goal, it broke structure to the downside. So what I'm saying is gold may return to the order block that broke the structure, right above your black line. That
Yes,
same last blue
this is
candle, like
is
so
gold
up
will go up to claim
right
this
there.
block.
So
Then
I'm thinking gold is going to reject from there and come down and start maybe a new downtrend. You
yes,
know,
this is what I said something. Price, there is a equal here. There is equal here. Price must clear this equal.
that is equal.
Here, this is the
Yeah.
equal. But next week, this is what price is going to do. After the break last week, they will come back to this block,
Mm-hmm.
then go down to this Quasimodo level, and after I'm expecting them to go to this level.
Return back bullish again, huh? Okay.
Yes, then after this, we are going down totally. We are going down
Uh,
totally. This is what I expect gold to do as from next week. They will come back to this block, go down to clear this liquidity, then they
mm-hmm.
will go up again to clear the high. We have two highs here.
The liquidity up there.
Yes, they will clear everything. Then after clearing it, they will go down completely.
I'll watch gold and see how it reacts according to your analysis. I love how you're charting, man. Your chart looks beautiful. You look
Th-
like you can follow price easily with that kind of charting you're doing. So
Thank
I'll
you
be
very,
watching more and more. Yeah, what you're doing, man. Good work.
thank you very much. So,
Yeah.
like I said on NASDAQ, I said
Mm-hmm.
something the other time that we fall always reject at 38.2 Fibo. I said we fall normally reject between 38.2 Fibo and 50 Fibo. So when looking at this, I gave this trade on our VIP group last week. Can you see wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four? Wave four reject at 38.2 Fibo. Then after the rejection, they went up because you can see this one is a correction, zigzag, up, down, up. Compared to impulse, a straight move, up, down, up, down. This is absolutely correction. Then last week, they broke up, then they came down to hit 61.8, then after they are going up completely. And if you look internal structure, if you look at the internal structure, after they touch the 38.2, then we have wave one to the upside in micro wave one, because this is wave five. We are going for wave five final. So we have a micro wave one, then they came back again as a retracement wave two. After the wave two, they are now going up. So this is the last support now. This is the last support, which is 19,280 is the last support. So right now we are going for wave three. And if you check from here, one, then two, we have, this is 2.618 extension. Two level I'm looking at 2.618 extension. If NASDAQ is wave micro wave 3 is going for wave extension, or 1.618 extension. These are the two levels I'm expecting price to stop before wave 4 will take place. Is it this level or this level? These are the two levels. If price stop at this level, then our wave 4 will be in place. Then we have our wave 5. We have and if price stop at this level for wave 3, then we have our wave 4, and we have a little eye, which we break the eye, then just wave 5. These are the two scenarios I'm expecting, but either way, on the two scenarios, we are going to the upside. To clear, if you look at this place, you can see this is, can you see? This is a correction, ABC. This is wave 3, this is wave 4, and we are going for the final wave to the upside, wave 5. So they expect price should break 20,700. Price must break 20,700, which means that wave 5 will be above wave 3. If this place is wave 3, this place will be wave 5. So there must be, wave 5 must be above. So which means price will surely break 20,700 this month. So this is a very good swing trade for anybody that wants to swing it on his personal account if the proof doesn't allow a swing trade. So, and in my VIP, we've been in the trade since last week. We've been in, can you see? We are already in profit of 200 pips. We entered at 425, and this is 100 pips, sorry. This is 540. So we are 100 pips above and 115 pips in profit. So we are holding to at least 20,000 at first before we expect price to break to the upside. But my first target is this 20,180. Price must reach 20,180 in the next 3 days. Between Monday and Thursday, I expect price to hit 20,180 because this is wave 3 impulse move. So let's go to XP500. Looking at XP500, you have the same structure with NASDAQ. The same structure. In my channel, this is wave 1. I said correction 1 ABC. Then after this correction, we are going for impulse to the upside. Then we have wave 1, wave 2. This is wave 3. Complete wave 3. And I said in this box, price will reject for correction inside this box. And when they get to the box, can you see price will reject? So if let's take a look. This is wave 2 to wave 3. Can you see that this is 32.8 and this is 50. This is 50. So I'm expecting price, but they reject at 23. They reject at 23. So I'm still expecting price to come down to this. And what I'm thinking they want to do is have expanding flat, whereby you have your A, your B at the up, then C at the down. You've already have your A, the B will break above A, and what is it called? C will break below A. This is attribute of expanding flat. We have 3 flats. We have a normal flat, regular flat, we have expanding flat, and we have a running flat. So these are the three flats we have. So this is what I'm thinking they want to do. Go to the upside, clear everything here, which serves as liquidity. Can you see? Three highs. So they want to clear the high and form wave B, correction of wave 4, then go down to clear the down below. All the stop loss which was set at A, they will clear everything, come back to 38.2 and 50 range, 38.2 and 50 range, which serve as wave C. Then after wave C, we are going up to the upside to complete the final move, because it is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, then wave 5. So this is what I'm expecting from XP500. Then looking at US CAD, I gave this trade last week in my free channel. I expect just a little correction. This is what I gave in my channel last week. Can you see this is attribute of head and shoulder pattern? Head and shoulder pattern. So I expect price to get to this level. Then after this level, another downside is coming. We are moving down again. Another downside is coming to break this low. To break this low. After this up move, then we are coming back to break this low. So next week, this is what I also have. Next week, a short from this area. After my TP hits, I will set my sell stop and have my TP at this level, which will be the last low before we went to the upside. So the next we have on our list is pound card. On this pound card, I gave this trade, this signal in my free group. I gave it a signal last week, and this is where we enter, because all our signals, it comes with graphical presentation so that you can know the trade you are taking and reason why you are taking the trade. So this was the trade after a long correction, because if you look at this, this is a correction. So we are going to what I expect is we are going to the downside. See, this is it. This is the origin. This is the origin of the whole of the wave. We have to be time conscious. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Can you see wave 4 it didn't go to the territory of wave 1. Then we have wave 5. This is wave 5. This is wave 5. Then we have our correction. A, can you see that B break above A? Above this last point, B break above A. So we expect C to break below A. Since B break above A, that is, what did I call it? I call it expanding flat. That is attribute of expanding flat. So we expect price to break below A, which means that price will break below this point. But I set this point as our final stop loss, as our final target. Sorry. So I'm expecting price to continue the downtrend. After they broke this, can you see this is first point, second point, third point. They break, retest, they are going down completely. So this is about 300 pips. There is still 300 pips remaining in the trade. So it's only downside. Looking at this trade, I gave this trade also in my free channel last week. Can you see, after the whole correction, I predicted this move 2 months ago. Can you see? I predicted this move, ABC correction, ABC, W, X, and I said price will come down to Y, and price did that. In space of 1 month, between July to August, price came down. And I forecasted this move again to the upside, and price did that again. Price did that again. And look at wave 1, wave 2. Wave 2 is running flat. Can you see? This is what they call running flat. The running flat I was talking about the other time, this is what they call a running flat. Can you see? A, B, and the C. This is running flat. Wave 1, wave 2. Then wave 3, stop here. Then we have a zigzag. We have a zigzag. Oh, sorry. We have a zigzag. Can you see? Wave 4, if you look at, you will see that it is 0.382 of wave 3. If you use your Fibonacci from here, so can you see 0.28? That is the range they are before they reject. So what am I expecting next week? They have already done A, B, C correction for wave 4. We are going for wave 5 to the upside. We are going for wave 5 to the upside. We are going for wave 5. So I expect a little retracement then up. On this is what I expect. If you check daily time frame, we don't have much time again. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. This is correction. Wave 4, then we are going for wave 5. The break, can you see this is low, another low, another low. Price break the low, is coming for a retest. After the retest, they are going down completely. This is what we have on this exotic. Then on Ethereum, this is what we have on Ethereum, and I gave this forecast on my free group. So they went up can you see A, B, C, this is what they call a expanding triangle. Expanding triangle. This is triangle, but expanded triangle. So I'm expecting price to come down, a little correction again, then to the upside. A little correction to the upside. And finally, we have Notcoin. I've been following this Notcoin for months. If you check on daily time frame, I've been following Notcoin since last month. This is what we have on daily time frame. They make wave 1, wave 2, internal wave 1, internal wave 2. So I didn't expect price to break this wave 2 because this is internal wave 2 of 3. If you see, can you see internal wave 2 of 3? So what I'm expecting is price is making a wedge to the downside, which means that they will surely break to the upside. Can you see the wedge? First level, second level, third level. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, which means they are going to break it. So what I'm expecting on Notcoin is straight to the upside. Straight to the upside. Can you see? 1, support 1, support 2, support 3. So this is what I'm expecting. Let me give you a presentation. Okay. I think this is A, B, C, D, E. E. This is what is going on. So I expect upside on Notcoin. So thank you for joining, and we will surely post the record on our YouTube channel, so you can kindly join our free channel. And if you want a good signal on Forex, you can also join our trading room, VIP room. Thank you very much.